eye, it's called Orbicularis Oculi. If it orbits around the mouth, it's called Orbicularis oris. If it touches the cheekbone, it's Zygomaticus. I have a major, I must have a minor. And then if it is, where else do we have muscles? Sternocleidomastoid, that's the big one. And then if it's massacring the food, it's the masseter. What else do we have? It's pretty much the same thing over and over again. Some of the smaller muscles I'm not going to test you on, like digastric. This one's a digastric muscle. This one's the mylohyoid. Not too, but you know, actually this one can. The mandible to the hyoid is called the mylohyoid muscle. So a couple of things. It looks complicated. It's not that bad. You just gotta imagine all this red and blue is not there. So epicranius, this is frontalis. This guy in the back is occipitalis. Sternocleidomastoid. Here's the masseter that massacres the food. Orbicularis oculi, Orbicularis oris, depressor anguli oris, right? Levator labii superioris. And then I believe this one, there we go, that's nasalis. It's a tiny one that just ends at the nose, so they call it nasalis. And it does this. Okay, hopefully you saw that. Same thing, it's just a repeat. So this is more of a review for you guys. Orbicularis oculi. You notice I'm going over the same ones over and over again. Orbicularis oris, nasalis, levator labii superioris, depressor anguli oris, mentalis would be over here. This is depressor labii inferioris. Zygomaticus major, Zygomaticus minor. They don't have that. Risorius is right across. Sternocleidomastoid. And this one on the back, trapezius is the big one. If I remove him, then I have one that looks like a band-aid. Splenius refers to band-aid. It goes to the head, so they call it Splenius Capitis. If it stops at the neck, it's called Splenius cervicis. A lot of different things. This one elevates the scapula, so they just call it levator scapula.